Right now, you're looking at a sentiment score of minus 0.07, with a strong momentum of plus 0.65. This combination is unusual. Typically, a negative sentiment is coupled with stagnant or declining momentum. But here, we're seeing a significant push in momentum, indicating a potential shift in behavior despite the negative outlook. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis of this sentiment data, breaking it down into actionable insights across 19 semantic clusters. Imagine you're building a trading algorithm. This data could signal an opportunity to capitalize on a rebound. Use this insight to refine your entry and exit strategies, aligning with the shifting tide. Dive deeper into this data at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Let's enhance your decision-making with precise sentiment analysis.